Hi everyone, making a dotted line in Excel depends on whether you want to add a dotted border around cells or draw a free floating dotted line. So here is how to do the both methods quickly. So in the first method, you need to select the cells where you want to add the dotted line. For example, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. You need to press the Control key and select the cells with the mouse key, and then head to the home and click on this small arrow in the found group. Click on that and now click on the border. So in the style box on the left side, you need to click on the dotted line style. Here are few different style. You can select any of them and then head to the color and select the color of your choice, for example green. So in the preset or the border section, click anywhere you want to the line to be appear. For example, you want the line around the cells. You can also select the diagonal lines like this one. If you don't need it, just uncheck it and then click OK to proceed. And here you can see that you can easily make dotted line in Excel. Let me undo that. So in the second method, you need an arrow or a line that you can move freely anywhere on your sheet. For this, you need to go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon and then click on the Illustrations and click on the Shapes and pick the standard line. And now click and drag on your spreadsheet to draw the line. For this, you need to hold down the Shift key to perfectly draw a straight line. And then head to the shape format on the top ribbon and click on the shape outline. And here you need to select the width of the line, for example 41 by 2 pt. And again go to the shape outline, and here you can see the different dashes. Here you can apply any which you like it most. So I'll be happy with this one. I'll select it. And now you can move this line anywhere on the sheet to drag it. Drag with the mouse. You can press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and adjust on the above cells. And if you want to move it, you can drag it with the mouse like this one and move anywhere in the cells like this one. Another duplicate copy like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can make dotted line in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.